In this video, I want to share how to attract the best people. Whether you are building a team in affiliate marketing or network marketing, I have 2 prospecting tips that will help you recruit more of the very best people. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been making my living in the home business industry full-time for many years now. I've done both network marketing and affiliate marketing, and I'm convinced that attracting the best people can impact your success faster than almost anything else. And to be very clear, I am not looking to recruit just anyone. I'm very particular about who I want to work with. Many people just don't qualify for my time or for my team. Seriously, I do not try to sign up anyone I can. And I will be doing a video on this shortly. It's a powerful strategy that you need to master, so be sure to watch for it. Hey, can you do me a big favor before we get going? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So here's how I attract the best people for my team. These 2 things have made a big impact. They will work equally well whether you are building a network marketing or affiliate marketing team. For years, we've referred to it as attraction marketing. My goal is to get people to know me, to like me, and to trust me. First, both at my blog, joebarclay.com, and on my YouTube channel, I share all kinds of information, not just business stuff, not just links to landing pages, but personal things too. I share details about me, my family, what we like to do. I frequently have people tell me something like, "Hey, I feel like I know you." I can't overemphasize how important that is. Secondly, I make it easy for people to contact me, and I encourage them to do so. I even put my cell phone number in all of my emails. If you don't want to give out your personal cell, that's okay. Get a Google Voice number. It's free and accomplishes the same thing. It can really make a difference. Think about how often you almost feel like someone is hiding behind a website. Set yourself apart from them. I hope these 2 tips help you attract the best people. Give them a try. If you do it right, you can actually have prospects chasing you, asking to join your team. Now, I invite you to learn more about me by going to my blog at joebarclay.com. I'll share all kinds of information about me, both in and out of business. I detail the kind of person I'm looking to work with, along with my recommended income streams and what you can expect when we team up. Here's your chance to see if we are right for each other. And while you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success just by copying what works. Also, be sure to check out my resources page, where I share the exact tools and resources I personally use and recommend to help you build any business faster and easier. Again, that's joebarclay.com. Go ahead and check it out. I look forward to hearing from you.